Hello everyone, welcome back to EngliTales. In this video, we will be discussing how to remove the word to from a sentence and what to replace the word to with. Let's get started. Let us first have a look at a few rules which we need to follow while solving such type of questions. The first one is, if the sentence is in the present tense, which means we come across the verbs like is, am and are, we have to use the word cannot. And if the sentence has the words like was and were, which are in the past tense, we have to use the word could not. Now, how do we apply this rule in the sentence while solving it? Let's look at an example. I am too happy to care. Now, we have to remove this to and write so in its place. Here the rest of the sentence says will be same up till here, up till the another to, to. Okay, I am so happy. The sentence stays same, only so the word so is added in the place of to. And now in the place of to, what we will write is, I am so happy that plus subject plus cannot. Care is the last word over here. It will remain same. Now, what is the subject in this sentence? The subject is I am so happy that. The subject will be I. So here the word will be I cannot care. Why did we use the word cannot over here? Because whenever the sentence is in the present tense, is, am, are, we use the word cannot. Here we came across the word am. Okay. Therefore, we have used the word cannot. Let us look at another example. She was too tired to attend the party. Now, here we come across the word was, which is the past tense, and therefore we will use the word could not and not cannot. Okay. So, she was, this stays the same. To will be replaced by the word so. She was so tired, and instead of this to, we will write she was so tired that she. Okay, why will we write she over here? Because she is the subject of this sentence. She was so tired that the subject is she. Cannot or could not, we will use could not because the sentence has the word was, which is in the past tense. Could not attend the party. Another example is, I am too slow to complete the work. This is example third. So, how will we solve this one? I am too will be replaced by so. I am so slow, and instead of this to, we will write that plus subject plus cannot or could not. Okay. So, I am so slow that subject is I, that I cannot. Why will we write cannot over here? Because the sentence is in the present tense. I am so slow that I cannot complete the work. Let us quickly have a look at a few more examples. The dress was too costly to be purchased, which means the dress was so costly that we cannot purchase it. Now, how are we going to remove to in this sentence? So, starting with the same sentence, the dress was, instead of TOO2, we will write so, the dress was so costly. Instead of this to, we will write that plus subject. What is the subject? The subject is the dress. Now, we will not repeat the subject over here in such kind of sentences where we come across some objects in the subject. Okay, for example, the dress. The dress is an object. Okay, it is a material thing, which is the subject in this sentence. The dress was so costly that the dress. No, we are not going to repeat it again. Okay, we will write, instead we will write it. Okay, because it is an object, a material thing. The dress was so costly that it cannot or could not. This is the confusion. Why? Here we will write the word could not. Why? Because we come across the word was. The sentence is in the past tense. The dress was so costly that it could not be purchased. Let us have a look at the next one. The king was too weak to reply. Here the king will be same, the king was. This sentence will remain same. Too will become so. The king was so weak. Instead of this to, we will write that the king. Here the king, it is not a physical object, not a material thing. Okay, it is the name, a designation of a person, and the person is male. Therefore, we will write the king was so weak that he could not reply. Why did we write could not? Because the sentence is in the past tense and not in the present tense. Another one is Sita is too weak to write. So, Sita is the subject over here. Sita is, instead of this to, we will write so. Sita is so weak, and instead of this to, we will write that plus subject plus cannot or could not. So that plus subject. Subject is Sita. Sita is the name of a girl. Therefore, we will write she. That she. Now, the sentence is in the present tense. We come across the word is. Therefore, we will write cannot. Right. Right will remain right same over here in the answer as well. That's all I had for you today. Remove to is a very easy topic in English grammar, and therefore I'm sure you will enjoy doing a homework on this topic. On your screens now you have 10 questions on the topic remove to. You have to solve all these questions, and I will be coming up with the detailed solutions of these 10 questions in my next video. Until then, you can check out other interesting videos on my channel. Subscribe to EngliTales and share this video as much as you can. I'll see you soon again.